All right, so what I'm going to do is turn on my captions. And now that I have my captions turned on, they're going. I need to make sure that I have the Google Translate extension for Google Chrome already added. It's up here at the top. You can add that from the Chrome Web Store if you need to. But what I'm going to do is I have my captions on. I'm going to right click. And then from here, I can translate. I can change the languages here. So I can have it translate to any language that I want. All right, and then it translates all of my closed captions. It only does this for the user, so each person can turn on their closed captions here, and if you notice, it changed all of the other language settings on my screen. So if I want to change this back, I can translate it back into English, which was the native language, right? And then it's back the way it was. But that's a really helpful feature. Your students could turn that on themselves, or if you are recording your Google Meet, it doesn't save the captions here, but you could technically create a screencast like what I'm doing right now, and it would save all of these captions that go along with it.